Hey everyone, it's Owen. Today I want to share with you one of the most impressive features of the ProTemp Plus, its connectivity. When it comes to wireless meat thermometers, a common concern is unreliable connections and limited range, which can really spoil your cooking experience or even your entire gathering. But with the ProTemp Plus, those worries are a thing of the past. We've integrated both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth booster into the stand, ensuring a seamless connection. With Wi-Fi, you can monitor your cooking from anywhere as long as you have internet access. And for those camping trips or places without internet availability, our built-in Bluetooth booster gives you an impressive transmission distance of up to 500 feet in open areas. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll dive deeper into more remarkable features of the ProTemp Plus. Thank you for tuning in, and I appreciate your support.